What to describe anything in German? Today 8 adjectives you'll use every day. Stay to the end for a full recap. The go-to positive word.
Gut.
It means good.
Das Essen ist gut.
The go-to negative word.
Schlecht.
It means bad.
Das Wetter ist schlecht.
For anything big.
Groß.
It means big or tall.
Ein großes Haus.
For anything small.
Klein.
It means small.
Ein kleiner Hund.
To praise something.
Schön.
It means beautiful or nice.
Ein schöner Tag.
For anything old.
Alt.
It means old.
Ein altes Auto.
For anything new.
Neu.
It means new.
Ein neues Handy.
For anything quick.
Schnell.
It means fast or quick.
Ein schnelles Auto.
Let's recap the 8 everyday adjectives from today.
Gut. Schlecht. Groß. Klein. Schön. Alt. Neu. Schnell.
Subscribe for a German lesson every day. Next video colors and numbers in German.